It's time now for another Harrod's Cookhouse recipe brought to you by Mickledge, the Spokane Spice Company. Today we are making smoked trout quiche. Start by dicing a small onion and fry in melted butter. Crumble 1 cup smoked trout made with delicious Harrod's Cookhouse lemon and dill seasoning. Once onions are caramelized, add garlic and cook a minute more, then set aside. Break 6 eggs into a large bowl and add 1 teaspoon of our sunrise to sunset seasoning and whisk. Add 1 cup of half and half and whisk some more. Add trout, 2 cups grated Swiss cheese, 2 cups spinach, onions, and incorporate. Pour mixture into a pie crust and cook at 375 for 40 to 50 minutes. Garnish with chives and enjoy. For this and other great fish and wild game recipes, visit the Harrod Outdoors website and YouTube channel.